Hi everyone, my name is Jackie and today I will be doing my video on hypothesis testing for the mean with small samples. So we know that a null hypothesis is H sub 0 and it is a hypothesis that contains a statement of equality, such as less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Now the alternative hypothesis is the complement of the null hypothesis. So for my example, I have a county is considering raising the speed limit on a road because they claim that the mean speed of vehicles is greater than 50 miles per hour. A random sample of 27 vehicles has a mean speed of 53 miles per hour and a standard deviation of 4.1 miles per hour. At a 0.01 significance level, do you have enough evidence to support the county's claim? So for this example, we know that we are looking for the mean, and in the problem it says that it's greater than. So in that case, our alternative hypothesis is going to be mu is greater than 50, and the null hypothesis is going to be the complement of that, so it's going to be mu less than or equal to 50. Because remember, the null hypothesis always has to be less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, or simply equal to. Then we have to determine the type of test we're going to have. So since the country believes that the speed is greater than the posted limit, we know that this is going to be a right-tailed test. So to find the test statistic, we have to use the formula T equals x bar minus mu over s. And I plugged this into my calculator using the t-test, and I got that my standardized test statistic is equal to approximately 3.80. And then we have to determine our p-value. And when you plug the information into your calculator, you are given the t-value and the p-value. So my p-value is approximately 0.000. Then you have to decide whether or not to reject or fail the null hypothesis. So if the p-value is less than the level of significance, you have to reject the null hypothesis. So now we know that our level of significance is 0.01 and our p-value is 0.000. Therefore, we're going to reject the null hypothesis, stating that we will reject the null hypothesis, meaning at a 0.01 significance value, there is sufficient evidence to support the claim that the mean speed of vehicles is greater than 15 miles per hour. And that concludes my video on hypothesis testing for the mean with small samples.